Introduction to Python. Python is a free object-oriented and general-purpose programming language with beautiful and concise syntax. Python is an easy-to-learn programming language even for beginners. It supports efficient high-level data structures to manipulate data efficiently. Why is it called Python? As we know, Guido van Rossum is the creator of Python programming language. When he began implementing Python, Guido van Rossum was also reading the published scripts from a Monty Python's Flying Circus. It is a popular BBC comedy series from the 1970s. Guido van Rossum extracted the name A Pythona from this comedy series A Monty Python's Flying Circus. Since he needed a name that was shitty, unique, and slightly mysterious, so he decided to call the language Python. Who is the father of Python? The Python programming was designed in the late 1980s and Guido van Rossum started its implementation in December 1989 at CWI in the Netherlands. Guido van Rossum is Python's principal author and hence rightly called the father of Python programming language. The Python language was released first in 1991. Python is a feature-rich object-oriented programming language, so its popularity is rapidly growing among the programmers of the world. Since Python is simple, portable, object-oriented and a general-purpose programming language, therefore, Python has got a prominent place in the top 10 programming languages of today. Python is portable. Python runs on many Unix variants, on the Mac, and on Windows operating systems. Python is available across many platforms including Windows, Linux and Mac OS. Python is an interpreted and interactive programming language that supports object-oriented paradigm. Python is easy-to-learn programming language. Its syntax is very short and easy to read and write. Python programs are shorter in terms of lines of code because of its beautiful and short syntax. Python is a general-purpose programming language. Therefore, it is the programmer's favorite programming language for developing both desktop and web applications. Python has several applications in many fields: data science, machine learning, natural language processing, artificial intelligence. A main advantage of using Python programming language is the huge collection of free Python libraries that are available for use on the PyPI website. The Python Package Index, PyPI, is a repository of software for the Python programming language. PyPI helps you find and install software developed and shared by the Python community. The official Python download page provides the latest stable releases. On the Python download page, you can download two major production-ready versions of Python, 2.x and 3.x. The official Python website recommends the latest version 3.x. It is because the latest version 3.x has the support of the most widely used Python libraries. Moreover, the old Python version 2.x will not be maintained after 1st January 2020. You will learn practical Python programming by writing example programs yourself in a Python IDE like idle. You will write programs, compile programs, edit and debug programs and finally execute your Python programs successfully on your computer. I hope you like. Please share and subscribe it. Honest Mark.